we are actually going to try and drive my uncle's 58 off of this trailer, or let it winch off slowly. Mainly because we need to get it to the front of the garage. We're gonna take Anna's truck and move it around back so we can work on this thing, because we got parts on the way from Jigs. You know, yellow with yellow. But we're gonna be doing some work on this old engine. So let's just see if we can get it running. Dad's got a fuel filter put on there, new spark plugs. We got wires coming and a bunch of other stuff I'm not gonna mention. Been working on the wiring, you know, off camera and stuff, you know, stuff that you guys don't need to watch, all boring crap. But we're gonna try and get her off this here trailer and see maybe if she'll drive a little bit. All right, into the sweat box.
You know, I didn't even have to pump it yesterday. It started right up.
No pumping?
See what it does. I had them fuel lines off. It might not have.
That's running pretty good, actually.
Check your brakes.
I think I had brakes.
Yeah, I never got a chance to put the timing light on it.
Starts better.
Is it too slow or?
No. There's just no accelerator pumping the carburetor. So I think it's idling just a little bit too low.
Let me check these gas lines. Well, they're definitely not spewing like they were last time.
Yeah. So I think the idle's a little bit too low for me to be able to put it in gear. And there's no accelerator pump at all. I try to give it gas and air.
Might have to let it warm up a little bit.
That too. So let it run for the.
Let me put the hood down, man.
Yeah, here, so we have found that the temperature gauge works, the fuel gauge works, everything seems to work in here, even that radio, which we found out last time in the last video. And spark plugs have helped a lot, and whatever else wiring Dad has done. But my uncle's very picky on a lot of things, and there's some things in this car he doesn't want, so they'll be going up for sale, and we're going to be doing some changes on some of these parts. The block's been pulled? Well, I was trying to explain things. So yeah, in this little video, you're going to definitely see this thing run and drive probably, because, well, it's running better already. Hang on. Yep. Got accelerator pump now. So, let's see if this thing will come off the trailer and we can move it around. Come on. There you go, Dad. It's all you. Just don't put your thumb in front of the ramp.
All right, we got to try to stay on these ramps. It was pretty close when we loaded it, remember? So I don't want to drag the floorboard or the running board. All right, come on off. Come on off. Let me check these ramps. All right, come on back. Doing good. All right. Cut your wheels that way just a little bit. Right, that's good. Now come on.
Step on back.
Come on back. Come on.
No,
back.
you step on back.
Oh,
you're holding the camera, Dad. Remember,
straighten your wheels. Right, that's good. The baby is born. She's a sled. Looks like a taxi cab. That's good. Wherever you want to work on it at. You want to put it right where Anna's truck is?
Yeah.
Well, you can leave it. You can shut it off right there and bring Anna's truck in. Let me get my truck out of the way. Hopefully it'll shut off. I ran into that problem. It just stayed running with the alternator. That starter solenoid was keeping the coil juiced up with 12 volts.
Unfortunately.
I got that all took handles. I'm gonna move my truck. I'll back that trailer on up a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna get Anna's truck. So for anybody who, has seen the videos here, went out and bought my girlfriend a truck, which I am making her pay me back only because we agreed on that before we filmed the video. But I got the brawler on here just about all dialed in, tuned in. I haven't done an update video because I've been waiting on parts, but I'll just show you. This thing ain't been running other than a few minutes ago. And it started right up. So now, of course, it's not a fair, just because, well, this thing's already been running, but just show you. Fires right up. I did that earlier. Obviously, I can't film and drive this thing because the manual steering. Well, I don't know. I could try it, but we are definitely plenty busy with projects and stuff. We have too many things going on all at once. But I guess it's better to be overly busy than not busy at all. This thing needs one of those little nudie girl speed shifters or speed steering knobs. Running good.
Sounds good. You can come ahead a little bit more. Good looking truck. Electric fan is stupid.
Really annoying. All right, back to the Biscayne.
That's a nice looking truck. Let's see how the old girl does. That's a good looking car in the sun.
Yeah, I got a problem. I can't open it. There's no door handle. How do I get in this thing?
I don't know, it's crazy.
How do I get in this daggone thing?
know.
There's no freaking door handle.
Whose idea is shaving door handles?
You telling me I got to do something like this?
It needs electric windows so you can roll it down, open the door.
Well, what happens when you leave the keys on the dash?
Yeah, that don't do
Or
no
when
good.
you're trying to start the car, but the fuel lines are gushing fuel, but you left the keys in the ignition and the windows are up.
And the door's shut. And you're only one man.
Yeah. I can hear Randy now. Chevrolet!
Is that puff of blow by out the front?
That's Chevrolet for you. Yeah, just walk on around there and watch it come around.
Yeah. An old Jezebel. Jezebel's another project. Got to get that sucker done too. Here comes old Yeller. I feel like I ought to be hailing a cab. Need to ride downtown. I think I got the distributor pretty close just by ear. Never got a chance to put the timing light on it because the fuel lines were gushing fuel after I broke them when I was putting the spark plugs in. Them clear plastic fuel lines ain't very tough. That was intense. The door was shut, engine was running, couldn't get in. That big battery cable off. Glad
Yeah, that's what I was smelling.
yeah, fuel line broke again. Yeah, better shut that baby off. Huh. What'd I do? Pull it too tight?
I don't know, but we got fuel pressure, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's got another little pinhole. You know, I've been smelling gas. And I didn't think to check it. I figured, oh, it's probably just gas leaking out of the filter or something, you know, just old car smells like gas. Nope, that's why.
You gotta get rid of them things.
Yeah, well, they'll be going in this next video. You guys will see that. Man, it looks really cool. I'm panning across these carburetors. Just
I don't
hang
think
on,
I
hang
got
on.
enough on that one.
Okay, that's just going to be a really cool shot. But the brakes are excellent. They are touchy, just like most guys want.
I'm gonna take the battery cable off.
It's probably a good idea, especially if it sparks. So, I know this is a short one, guys, but the Biscayne runs and drives thanks to Dad and his wiring genius. That, well, he's great at. He's
This thing right here was our culprit.
yeah, the Ford starter solenoid.
This wire right here was hooked to the ignition terminal. I just think it's supposed to be. If this is 12 volts all the time with key off and everything,
Yeah.
it's only supposed to be 12 volts when you're starting it.
I don't know if I caught that or not. I was trying to flip the camera.
Yeah, whatever. It's a wiring thing.
Yeah. Well, it runs and drives. Like I said, in the next video, you guys are going to get to see some real magic happen as we make this thing really go well for my uncle. So that way he's got a nice, sweet lead sled cruiser. The big yellow banana. The banana sled, whatever we're going to call this daggone thing.
Taxi cab, checker cab.
The banana cab.
I call it the checker cab.
Well,
I need to put a little thing on top on the roof like a taxi cab. On duty, off duty.
I'm thinking Randy needs more like a sailor's hat.
Yeah.
Because when you're driving this thing, you are sailing.
How was the steering? Was it loose? Or?
No, it was actually pretty good for the power steering.
Yeah.
Even for that baby steering wheel in there. I think it's going to be a great cruiser for Randy.
Okay.
And
well, it seems to be running pretty good.
part of the whole reason of me putting all this time and effort in a Chevrolet is because I know once my uncle gets it, ain't going to have the greatest maintenance. So we want to make sure it's right, ready, stable, reliable, safe for him.
Leave that hood up to let the gas evaporate.
That's probably a good idea. But, so, look forward to seeing you guys in that next one. You know, we're going to make this thing drive a lot better, and you will see that if you check out the video, hopefully. But as always, we want to thank you guys for checking this one out. I know it's short, just a couple cars driving and stuff, but you got some cool stuff happening this weekend, so that'll be probably a Sunday upload. And look forward to seeing you guys then. So take care. As always, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, the blinding light.